in a chip blue bowl, garlic on the wooden board, olive oil dripping gold, sun in the window, late and warm.
A little half green on your hand, salt on your wrist, you kiss it off. You say, taste this, close your eyes, I do, and everything stops.
Fresh pesto on the table, summer hiding in the leaves. Her pudding by the window sings the secret recipe.
You spin me in the kitchen, bare feet on the cold, clean stone, fresh pesto on the table,
and it feels like home.